Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is Motichoor Ladoo and the ingredients are on the screen. So we'll start by chopping the almonds in slices and set them aside. Now add the gram flour and the orange food coloring in the bowl and mix well. Add around 230 ml of water and mix well. Make sure that there's no lumps left in the mixture. Then set it all aside for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the batter might become a bit thicker, so add a further 10 ml of water and mix well. As you can see now, we have reached the right consistency and we are ready to start frying. In a pan, heat the oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee and wait for it to be real hot. Place a perforated spoon right over the hot oil and pour some batter in it. The batter will just drip through the hole and fall in the oil, and it will rise up straight away, and there you've got your bundis. Remember, the key here is to have real hot oil, otherwise your bundis won't come out. These bundis should be fried a little at a time. Do not put too much in the oil at once because they might all get stuck together. They have to be taken out of the oil before they turn brown. And when it's all done, just set them aside. For the syrup, add 400 ml of water and the sugar in a pan. Stir well to make sure that the sugar dissolves in the water while it all comes to a boil. We'll then add 1 teaspoonful of cardamom powder for flavoring and a tiny pinch of food coloring we used earlier. Keep boiling the syrup till it reaches the 1 thread consistency, and then add the raisins, followed by the bundis and the almond slices. Mix it all well in the syrup. The bundis will absorb the syrup and swell up a bit. Now we'll have to wait for it to cool down before we started making the ladoos. Once the mixtures cool down a bit, apply some ghee to both hands and start shaping these bundis into small balls and place in a tray to cool down. Keep going in this way till it's all done. And there you have it. The Motichoor Ladoo are now ready to serve. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.